Hey guys, got this old metal cutting saw that a buddy of mine gave me for free. I'm gonna try to get it running. Here's the brand on there. This is an ENCO metal cutting bandsaw. There's the info on it. No blade on it. I did plug it in already just to see if the motor ran, and it went. So I've got a blade for it. I got a couple blades for it, and I'm gonna go ahead and see if I can get this installed. Well, first thing I'm going to do here is just lift this up like that. And then that blade, I believe, goes up and around here. So here's the lever for the plate. That should come off just like that. There we go. Let's see if that blade will fit around there. So that blade's gonna sit with the teeth out, I believe, right up and around there. And then it's gotta go down through this and then go through there. It's gonna take two hands, but I got that off of there. Okay, I got it to go around this lower one, and that's off of there. It's got a little tweak in the blade. I feel like I need to tension it. Let's try to tension it. See if it takes it. Oh yeah, it straightens that thing out a little bit. So I got it pretty tight. I got it cranked down. Cranked down pretty tight. All right. So actually, I'm gonna put this other one on there. Mallet. There we go. Okay. So when you cut, you should be able to put your metal piece right down there and just hold on to your seat. Cut some metal with it, see what happens. Cool. Alright, I got a little chunk of rebar. This is a good scrap piece to try to cut. Lock it in there, just for demo purposes here. But here's the hand cranker, and that pulls those jaws tight. Now it won't. Well, let me get it nice and tight there. There we go. Won't move, and let's go ahead and turn it on. See how she cuts. Kill it. So the only thing, a couple things, I need to put some grease on there. Go ahead and loosen that up. But there's a, there we go, look at that cut. That cut like a champ. Very happy with this old saw. And then these adjust with these knobs here, dependent, you know, it's best to leave as small a gap there as possible. So if I was cutting some more, a whole bunch of rebar, I would shorten this gap a little bit. And then, yeah, but for my purposes, freaking awesome. All right, thanks for watching, you guys, and I hope this helps you out. If you find an old saw like this, grab it. All right, thanks for watching.